improv involves various exercises that are all about creating things completely on the spot, so without any prior preparation. And to me, improv is very fun because you can kind of let go of all the social norms that are around us normally, and you can just do the embarrassing and fun things without risking actually embarrassing yourself, because actually the point is to do something embarrassing. And I think to me and many other people it has served as a kind of therapy, where through this creative outlet we can actually feel better about ourselves. The first game we did was about sending snaps to other people in a circle. So we would send a snap to a person, and the person had to very quickly react by sending the snap back to another person, and then the snap just went on and on. Then the next game, called The Animals, was about people standing in a row, and everyone had an animal assigned, and they had to make a specific weird sound, such as and then they basically had to make the sound and the sound of another animal in the row, and then the person who was kind of called out by this another sound had to react, make their sound, and then basically the cycle continued. And the fun thing was that if you did your thing wrong, then people had to move to the right, and then they had another animal, and then things changed very quickly, so that people got a bit confused. But that was kind of the point, to react quickly and sometimes fail, and it was okay to fail. We did the game called the Hitchhiker, when we had 4 participants and they created an entire scene that basically lasted for a couple of minutes. And there was one driver who was emotionally neutral, and there were 3 hitchhikers who were joining the driver in the car gradually, and every one of these 3 participants who were joining was having assigned a different emotion. So, for example, one person had sadness, the other one had happiness, and so on. And then once they entered the car, everyone else in the car, including the driver, had to imitate this emotion, and they had to kind of build up on what the others have done and just cooperate through creation of this common atmosphere that reflected this specific emotion. And at the end, to calm down our intense emotions from the workshop, we did this little relaxation exercise that was about moving your fingers slowly through your hand, like this, and then breathing in while your finger goes up, and then breathing out while your finger goes down. And then it calmed the participants down and kind of relieved this emotional experience.